How to allow people to send you direct messages on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow people and friends to send you messages directly on TikTok. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok app and then go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines here, and after that choose the settings option right here. Then you have to choose the second option, which is privacy, and then you will have many options here, but you have to go down and search for the direct messages option, and here is it. Now click on it like this and choose who can send you direct messages. You can choose no one or friends as you want. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, subscribe